Hi everyone, welcome back to House of Sid. Today I want to show you something that's new and cool and free in the city of Anaheim. It is called FRAN, which stands for free rides around the neighborhood, and it's a new little micro transit system we have here. It's actually one of a kind, all electric vehicles, and very cool. So stick around, make sure you watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. What's the name of this one? I was told they all have names. The little carts.
I'm driving Genevieve.
Genevieve, okay, yeah. Last time I took it, one of the drivers like, oh, they all have their own names. I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, they're actually each named after the daughters and the granddaughters of FRAN.
Oh, nice.
There's actually, if you do download the app, it actually has a little story of FRAN.
Oh, okay.
FRAN actually was a real person.
Oh, okay.
She was one of the first. They had a local drugstore and stuff.
Oh,
and she
okay.
was considered one of the frontier mothers of Anaheim.
Anaheim, okay. Yeah, a lot of history here.
Yeah.
And not just Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, believe it or not, before Mickey Mouse, there were orange groves here. I just took a ride over to the original Pancake House last week.
Oh, were they remodeling it or something?
Not really.
The one on Lincoln?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's actually still got the old wood pine doors and stuff in it. I love it. My friend's mom grew up over on East Street. She was one of the first Mouseketeers.
Oh, okay.
And her parents were pretty prominent in the packing industry.
Nice.
And so we used to bring his grandma over to church over there, and then we would go to the original Pancake House or the Stewart's Family Diner. We would go over and sit and wait for her. And when I first started back here, I hadn't been down here in so long.
Wow.
Like White House seems so buried now. The White House used to be the only thing there for the longest time until they built Ted's.
Well, I've only been living in Anaheim for about 5-6 years, and it's changed a lot in that short amount of time.
Yeah, this is completely different. But it's funny because my friend's mom had gone to the original Pancake House since she was a girl.
Wow.
Her mother went there since 1930, and her parents went there when they were kids.
Oh my gosh.
It's been there since 1870 something.
Oh wow, a lot of history.
But it burnt down in the 50s and they rebuilt it.
Okay,
and
that's
what
happened.
they have now.
Yeah.
But that was the original stagecoach. Used to bring them to the Pancake House on Saturday morning. I guess
so crazy.
that was their big thing for the family to do, was to ride the stagecoach.
Ride the stagecoach. Well, now we have little Fran.
Yeah, now we got Fran. Fran coach.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, have a fantastic afternoon.
Bye. Oops. Oh, wait, seatbelt. Okay, here it is. We just got off the Fran, and we're going to check out the packing house. Got a little history from the driver, which is always really cool. So yeah, you can catch a ride on the Fran. They have the stops marked right there, and you catch them. So there he goes to go pick up another set of people, catch rides all around town. Definitely, whenever you can get a free ride around town, why not? especially in a place like Anaheim where everything can be very expensive. And it's app-based, so there's an app you can use. You download it and you can request your FRAN. It's kind of like an Uber, but only for the city of Anaheim, and it's free. So let's go. And I will show you where you can catch a free ride with FRAN. As of right now, it's only in the downtown area of Anaheim, and they have special stops designated. There we go. Here comes FRAN. Here it comes. Hello. Okay. Oh, good, and yourself?
Good, thank you. All right, to the Carnegie Plaza?
Yes.
All right. Another beautiful day.
Yeah, it's actually a little warm. Let's go
Like
for
springtime.
it. I know. It's nice though. You've been busy today?
It's been okay. Tuesdays are a little bit quieter. But yeah, after lunch, like around dinner time, it really starts to pick up a lot more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you guys only go to, like, when someone requests it and drop them off, you guys just don't, like, go around the whole route?
We try to, get to each stop, stay on route, and if there is no request via the app, then we also get flag downs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. took video yesterday, and when I got home, it was like totally messed up.
Oh, no.
I don't know what I did. It's a new gadget that I'm using, so it was like completely unusable. I was like, okay. It was like upside down, and then when I rotated it, like compressed it, so it was all squished, and it's like, okay, that's not gonna work.
A little video editing going on?
Yes, yes. Trying to anyways.
So I'll do the drop off right over here on the
Okay,
right. I'll
that's
put my
fine.
hazard lights on for you.
No worries. It gets really busy here sometimes.
Yeah.
Deliveries and people paying their bills or tickets or whatever. Thank you so much.
Great day.
You
Enjoy.
too. Bye-bye. There you go. And there it is, the Franny. So you can look for these signs where it says FRAN, free rides around town. And wherever you see this, you can stop here and wait for it to pick you up, or you can scan it or use the app. You'll enter your pickup, which right now we are it's called the Make, which is right across from the packing house. And you can request to be picked up here, and they'll take you back to Center Street, or if there's another location on the map, you can check out the map on the app and tell it where to take you. Or if you don't have the app, I know they will pick you up if you're just standing here. You just have to wait for it to come. If you use the app, I guess it's a little faster. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed my little tour of the FRAN, free rides around the neighborhood in Anaheim. It's always good if you're traveling to find free things. Maybe you're just coming to Anaheim for the day and want to check it out. Definitely look it up. I'll leave a link to the app at the bottom. Busy street. I'll leave a link to the app at the bottom, and also I'll leave a link to my other Anaheim cool places video if you haven't watched that one. But thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and hit those notifications to be notified when there's a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.